Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A morning that's starting off very mild in most locations out there. We're starting off in the 40s and 50s, which is, some places are pretty close to their average high this time of the year. So we're starting off pretty well. We've already had a couple of showers roll through the area this morning with ahead of a frontal boundary that's passing through the viewing area. It's kind of slicing the viewing area this morning, and it will be pushing southeastward during the day today. So the mildest conditions will be to the southeast. We'll see falling temperatures later on today once that front comes through. So a little bit cooler and also breezy northerly winds or northwesterly winds behind that front. Again, that slight chance of showers. I know Futurecast is showing snow out west. The chances of snow are fairly low, maybe more of a cold rain than snow out towards the west. And then later this afternoon, a little bit better chances of rain in the Sandhills and to the northwest here. And then also along and east of Highway 281, some showers and isolated thunderstorms are possible. These will be weak thunderstorms for the most part. We'll see some of that linger into the early evening hours and then clear out during most of the evening into the nighttime hours, other than maybe some upper level clouds to the southeast. We will be chilly out there to start off tomorrow morning, a little bit colder in the 30s for the most part, but a nice day overall for your Tuesday. Lighter winds, lots of sunshine, coolish, 50s and 60s for highs. Pretty good for this time of the year, so not too bad for Election Day Tuesday. I want to get more specific into your day planner here because, again, with that front coming through, temps will start to fall off. 54 this morning at 8 o'clock, slight chance of showers. Still a slight chance of showers at noon. 63 degrees at that time, and then we'll fall off during the afternoon behind that frontal boundary. 55 degrees by 4 o'clock with the better chances of rain and isolated thunderstorms coming in during the mid to late afternoon hours. Your forecast for the Tri-Cities, or for the rest of the area, I should say. Again, these are highs. Some places will see falling temps, though. 50s to around 60 degrees up north, slight chance of showers. Same story out towards the west. Most of their winds will already be turning northerly behind that front, or most places are already behind that front, so it will be a struggle to climb temperature-wise today. We'll try to get into the low 60s in the Tri-Cities and then fall off behind that front back into the 50s during the afternoon. A little bit warmer down in northern Kansas, upper 60s and lower 70s. We'll see a lot of 60s out towards the east with, again, the better chances of rain holding off until the late afternoon hours. Now, as we look at your 7-day forecast, a lot of ups and downs. I would say probably more ups than downs, though. 63 today, 60 tomorrow after a colder start, but a decent Election Day Tuesday. Wednesday, 65, but breezier conditions. Thursday, we fall off behind a frontal boundary. 55 for a high, but lots of sunshine. Back into the low 60s on Friday, partly cloudy skies with another cold front coming through Friday night. Wind's going to crank up. They'll be fairly strong, and we'll see a similar day this upcoming Saturday to what we saw this past Saturday. A lot of wind and temperatures kind of struggling to get up close to 50 degrees, but then Sunday looks like this past Sunday a little bit, back into at least the 60-degree range out there with partly cloudy skies. We'll have to watch, see how things play out next week, just beyond our 7-day forecast, as we could see some colder weather come in, although that's not a guarantee by any means, but changes could be on the way. So there's your forecast for this Monday, a pretty decent way to start off the week. The only chance of rain coming in on Monday, so we get it out of the way right away, and then the farmers can get back out in the fields for the rest of the week for any crops that they still have to bring out. So again, looking okay out there for the next 7 days. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Monday.